Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys. Fingerprint lock guys, how can we delete? Friends, we want to delete guys your Infinix phone guys. Fingerprint lock, so how can we delete today friends? I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we delete guys Infinix phone guys fingerprint lock. Friend, first of all, you will have to on guys your Infinix phone setting to delete guys your fingerprint lock. So after on phone setting, guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone security setting. Guys tap here. Guys click on fingerprint, and then we will enter our password. And friends, you can see guys your fingerprint lock setting. So friends, you can see I have two fingerprints, and guys you have also, and guys you want to add one more third fingerprint. So guys you can add from here guys, but guys I want to delete, and guys you want to use guys your one fingerprint, and guys you want to delete your one fingerprint. So guys you can delete. So guys, which fingerprint guys you want to delete guys, select. So I will select guys my second fingerprint, and guys you can see rename option. Friends, you want to rename, so guys you can rename, and friends you can see delete option guys, tap here to delete. So friends, one fingerprint lock will delete guys, we cannot use guys the second fingerprint lock guys, we can use only one fingerprint lock. So like that guys, we can delete guys Infinix one fingerprint lock. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.